Back in the fall of 2022, I was sharing a coffee with my friend, Dr. Tom Cullen, and he shared with me some research results about these guys, dinosaurs called troodontids. What he had found was really cool, but he made me promise that I wouldn't tell anyone until the paper was officially released. Well, that paper's been published, so now I can tell you all about it. Okay, here it is. Are you ready for it? Troodontids may have been eating mostly plants. Yep, you heard me right. This sickle-clawed, pointy-toothed little velociraptor relative may have preferred salad to steak. To be honest, troodontid diets have actually been a mystery over the years. Although at first glance they look like a little killing machine, their tooth shape is a little bit strange. And these unusual teeth have made their diet a little bit tricky to reconstruct. But this new research may have potentially cracked the case. You may be wondering, how could we possibly know what an extinct animal ate? This research in particular studied teeth from a variety of animals that had all been found together in a single layer or deposit. We wanted to better understand how these animals interacted with one another and their environment, and they did this using stable isotopes. Stable isotopes are slightly different versions of the elements that we all know and love. They are either slightly heavier or slightly lighter than the original element, but they behave mostly the same way. Radioactive isotopes break down over time, but stable ones remain, well, stable. And these stable isotopes move through an ecosystem, becoming parts of the bodies of the animals and plants living there. They say you are what you eat, and it's true of stable isotopes as well. Differences in the ratios of stable isotopes between species can mean differences in their diets or their preferred habitats. So what does that mean for the diet of troodontids? Dr. Cullen found that the strontium and barium stable isotope ratios in troodontid teeth showed the most similarities to the herbivorous dinosaurs that they sampled. This led him to conclude that the troodontid's diet had been mostly plants. But the other stable isotopes they looked at suggested that there could have been more things on the menu. Based on his research and other fossil evidence, Dr. Cullen thinks that troodontids likely ate small mammals and baby duckbill dinosaurs. So tonight's special on the troodontid menu is a large fresh salad topped with charred mammal meat and a side of duckbill dinosaur veal. Yum!